Hello guys, today I am explaining the mechanism of Kolbe and Riemann-Tiemann reaction so that you easily understood this concept how Kolbe and Riemann-Tiemann reaction proceed. Okay, at first Kolbe reaction. Mechanism of Kolbe reaction. In Kolbe reaction, you know phenol directly change into the salicylic acid. Okay. At first we write down the reactant and product. Phenol convert into the salicylic acid OH and COOH. How this reaction proceed? We know that in Kolbe reaction CO2 is used. Okay. So at first this phenol change into the phenoxide ion in the presence of NaOH. So it convert into the phenoxide ion. See carefully. That is a phenoxide ion. We can't written the Na because it make a confusion. Now CO2. CO2, it is a linear shape sp hybrid state. That's why we write down this way. Okay. Movement of electron C. This negative charge make the bond. This bond make the negative charge. Okay. In CO2, oxygen is more electron negative. That's why electron goes towards the oxygen and it makes electrophile a positive charge. That's why it attack to here. Okay. Now next step. Here double bond create. All remaining bond is the same. Here negative charge and carbon attached to this negative charge because carbon is the positive charge. This C O negative and this O is the double bonded. Okay. Is it clear? देखो how this negative charge create bond. This bond create the negative charge. Or we can say this way. देखो how. देखिए. Here double bond. All bond is the same. Here is the negative charge. Okay. Now oxygen. This oxygen is a negative. This carbon is positive. Here is the this one. In this way, this attack to the here. Positive opposite charge attract and these attack from here. Is it clear? Mirror? Okay. Now we know there is a hydrogen. Okay. Now these hydrogen make the bond here and this oxygen again acquire the negative charge. Okay, then negative double bond, this one octet is a Huckel rule is always 6 pi electron. Now stability achieved by the benzene ring. CO negative. Oh, this hydrogen eliminate as proton. So negative oxygen absorb it or it may be possible oxygen absorb. Anyway, you add here. Okay. Now from the medium, this oxygen acquire proton and form the salicylic acid. Okay. Is it clear? At first, phenol change into the phenoxide ion. This phenoxide ion at ortho position, it get the negative charge so that carbon that is a positive charge attack to here. This is a form. This hydrogen form the positive charge by the delocalization of the electron. This H introduced from here because again it form the phenoxide ion and we get the salicylic acid. Is it clear? Now I explain द रायमंड-टिमान रिएक्शन की mechanism of Riemann-Timan reaction. The reaction I will explain. I have explained in earlier video. Okay, mechanism of Riemann-Timan reaction. You know, in the Riemann-Timan reaction, phenol change into the salicylaldehyde. Phenol change into the salicylaldehyde in the presence of chloroform. Have you remembered? Okay. Then how this reaction is proceed? Mechanism of this reaction. How, which intermediate is formed? Okay. Phenol change into the salicylaldehyde. Okay. In Riemann-Timan reaction, mechanism of Riemann-Timan reaction. Chloroform CHCl3. In presence of base, this acidic hydrogen remove and this one carbon acquired negative charge Cl. This is a very unstable species, so that chlorine remove and this negative charge get their electron to the carbon and we get dichlorocarbene. This species is called dichlorocarbene. It is a electrophile because of incomplete octet. 2 electron, 6. Octet does not complete, that's why it is a electrophile. Okay. Now, this dichlorocarbene attack to the phenoxide ion. Okay. सबसे पहले क्लोरोफॉर्म बेस से रिएक्ट, देन नेगेटिव चार्ज ऑन द कार्बन, दिस नेगेटिव चार्ज क्लोरीन एलिमिनेट क्लोराइड आयन एंड नेगेटिव चार्ज give their electron to the carbon. That's why this is called dichlorocarbene. It is a very important intermediate. In competition examination asked that which intermediate is formed in the Riemann-Timan reaction. That is a dichlorocarbene. Okay. Now, this dichlorocarbene react to the phenoxide ion. See carefully because it is a mechanism. That is a phenoxide ion plus Cl2. We write down this Cl2 is the open structure. Okay. This is a negative charge goes to here. Here acquire negative charge. Negative form double bond form the negative. This is the electrophile, that's why it attack to here. Okay. Now second step is the this is a these bond are remain same, double bond here, then Cl here is the H. Now see this structure, this is a not stable because according Huckel group benzene have a 6 pi electron, but here is the only 4 pi electron. Okay, that's why hydrogen bond form this double bond and this double bond moves to again there and benzene acquire 6 pi electron O negative and this proton attached to the here because here is the negative charge. Because negative charge क्यों? Because why? It is here the negative charge and this negative charge transfer from here. Okay. Now against the same hydrolysis. By the hydrolysis of NaOH, it form aldehyde. I have explained it in the reaction of Riemann-Timan. Now by the acidic medium, phenoxide O minus negative acquire the proton and form salicylaldehyde. Is it clear? At first dichlorocarbene is formed. Dichlorocarbene attack at the ortho position negative charge is here. This one, this proton moves to here. This is intermediate. By the hydrolysis, it form the aldehyde, and by the acidification, it form the OH group. Is it clear? The main intermediate of this reaction is dichlorocarbon. Like and subscribe my channel.